Amplitude versus Google Analytics. Which analytics platform is better? Choosing the right analytics platform can transform how you understand user behavior without drowning in data. We'll explore Amplitude and Google Analytics to help you decide which fits your needs best. Amplitude and Google Analytics are two leading analytics platforms, but they serve different purposes. Google Analytics focuses on website traffic and marketing metrics, while Amplitude dives deep into product usage and user engagement, offering more behavioral insights. Amplitude is a product analytics platform designed to help teams understand user behavior within digital products. It tracks user actions in real time, allowing you to analyze user journeys, retention, and conversion funnels with precision. Its event-based model captures granular data, which makes it ideal for product managers and growth teams focused on improving user experience and engagement. Amplitude's strengths lie in its advanced behavioral analytics, cohort analysis, and customizable dashboards. It integrates Will with other tools and provides predictive insights using machine learning. However, it requires some setup and a learning curve to fully leverage its capabilities. It's best for businesses that need detailed product usage data beyond simple page use, especially SaaS companies and mobile apps aiming to optimize user retention and feature adoption. Google Analytics is a widely used web analytics platform primarily focused on tracking website traffic, user acquisition, and marketing campaign performance. It collects data through page views, sessions, and user demographics, providing insights into how visitors find and interact with your site. Google Analytics excels at measuring traffic sources, conversion rates, and e-commerce tracking, making it a go-to tool for marketers and SEO specialists. Its integration with Google Ads and other Google services enhances campaign optimization. While it offers some user behavior tracking, it lacks the depth of event-level analysis that Amplitude provides. Google Analytics is easy to implement with minimal setup and is suitable for businesses seeking comprehensive website metrics and marketing attribution without needing detailed product analytics. Amplitude and Google Analytics serve distinct but complementary roles. If you run a digital product or app and want to understand how users engage with specific features, Amplitude's event-based tracking and behavioral insights are unmatched. It offers deep analysis on retention and user journeys that help improve product design. On the other hand, Google Analytics is better suited for understanding overall website traffic, marketing effectiveness, and user acquisition channels. It provides a broad overview of visitor demographics and campaign ROI. The trade-off is between depth and breadth. Amplitude delivers detailed product intelligence, while Google Analytics offers comprehensive marketing analytics. Choosing depends on whether your priority is product optimization or marketing performance measurement. Choose Amplitude if your focus is on detailed user behavior within your product and you need advanced tools for retention and engagement analysis. Google Analytics is recommended for businesses prioritizing website traffic analysis and marketing attribution. Both platforms excel in their areas, so aligning your choice with your specific goals will maximize your analytics impact and drive smarter decisions.